Nike Air Force 1 Breast Cancer Awareness returns for Holiday 2025, bringing a powerful blend of style, purpose, and storytelling. This special edition highlights Nike's ongoing mission to support breast cancer awareness through bold design choices and meaningful symbolic elements. Dressed in a striking pink foam satin upper, the pair stands out with hyper pink accents and an eye-catching iridescent blue swoosh that instantly elevates its visual appeal. Clear icy outsoles and metallic lace dubraes add a premium finish, while signature details, like the stitched pink ribbon and awareness branding on the heel, underscore the sneaker's message of empowerment. Official images showcase Nike's ability to merge social impact with iconic footwear, reminding wearers that this release carries purpose beyond aesthetics. Expected to drop through Nike.com and select retailers this holiday 2025, the Breast Cancer Awareness Air Force 1 set delivers both cultural relevance and heartfelt meaning. Stay tuned for more updates as Nike continues using its platform for causes that matter.